I'm going to walk you through how to create an Xtreamr session. First, open up a Chrome browser and type in the URL that has been provided to you by Xtreamr. Then click Join with User and Password. Here, please input the login credentials provided to you and click Login. To get started, you just need to hit the button Create an Xtreamr session. This will ask you for your login credentials one more time, but please note that the UI is changing so that in the future, you'll only be asked to input these details once. Click Login. Now, this is a very important step. You must grant permissions for Xtreamr to access your microphone and your camera. We require an audio and a video feed for Xtreamr to work, so please allow permissions. Once you do so, you will enter into your dedicated interface. Here you'll see all of the formats that are available to you, of varying levels of interactivity and design, some standard and some custom. For instance, you could choose a debate with up to N participants, where we would provide you with a clean feed of multiple people speaking with each other. Or the roundtable format, for example, where you can customize the background, the poster, and we leave you a space on the left side to overlay the video feed of your presenter. Here, to change the imagery, all you have to do is upload a background, any image file, like so. And you can do the same with the poster. The poster is the image that will show in the collaborator box when there are no collaborators live. There are also a number of other settings that you can configure at this stage, such as the collaborator bubbles. These are the circles that appear on the screen that show the live video feed of the participants in the queue waiting to go live. You can enable or disable, or decide if you want the bubbles on the right or left side. You can also configure the collaborator name if you'd like it to show and disappear, and if you'd like a live indicator next to the name of the participant. Once you've configured these settings, move on to configure audio and video. Here you'll be able to configure the video and audio settings for Xtreamr. On the left side of the screen, you should see yourself and all of the video feeds available, and on the right side, you should see a microphone symbol and all of the audio feeds available. The microphone symbol should have waves coming out of it. That means that we can hear you. At this time, you'll also be hearing yourself double. That's a good sign. That means everything's working properly. If you'd like to switch between the different audio and video feeds available, just click the drop-down menus and you'll see everything that's connected. Once you've configured these settings, just click Download Links to go to the next and final step of the process. Here we will provide you with all the links necessary to run and join the session. Let's start with the collaborator links. These are the links that you share with the participants who'd like to join the conversation. At the moment, there are two separate sets of links for collaborators, one for those joining via desktop or laptop, and another for those joining via smartphone and tablet. In the future, these will be combined into one link for both, but at the moment, we're providing you with two. You also have the presenter link. Have your host or producer access via this link on a tablet, and they'll be able to control the conversation and add or remove participants from the live program. If you'd like to enable pre-moderation to invite participants from the public, just click here to enable, and you'll be provided with a second set of links. You'll also be provided with the link for the pre-moderator. This is the individual who will wait in the pre-moderation room and evaluate the participants joining the conversation. You can also copy all the links at once and send via email with this button. Once you're done, click Complete Configuration, and you're ready to go live.